Here we go. Okay, guys. This is actually the wind, and it's very strong here in Windstorm, Ohio. And yeah, there's some high wind, my friends. And show us what you got, wind. Show what you got. You got nothing on me? Oh man. Show what you got, wind. Show us what you got. Whoa! 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 That's something right there. That's a good high wind, my friends. The highest winds ever in Windstorm, Ohio. And yeah, that's something right there. And whoa! Yeah. Talk about some wind right there. And that is coming from the south, my friends. And whoa! Look at those clouds. Whoa! Ooh. Oh man. Oh man. Talk about this high wind, my friends. Whoa! 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 This is something right here. Okay. Yeah. That's something. Now, I never felt high winds before, but now the wind is showing this, beginning to make its presence felt in more than one direction. And yeah, there we go. Here comes the next gust of wind, my friends. Hold on. Whoa. That's something. Whoa. That's some high wind, my friend. Look at the contrails, my friends. Yeah. That's something that you don't see during the high wind storm. And look at those clouds drifting east. And yeah. Okay. There's one storm awaits. Whoa. That's something. Now that's something else. Okay. See you soon. Hasta vista.